Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create this neon logo reveal in Adobe After Effects. I'm starting with a basic composition with 6-second duration. So the next thing is to import your logo, select footage and then hit OK. Drag and drop your logo into your timeline, then hit S to scale this to whatever size you may like to begin with. Then go to Layer and select Auto Trace. Select Current Frame and make sure the channel is set to Alpha, and then make sure also that Apply to New Layer is unchecked. Then hit OK. This is going to automatically trace this. Go to Effect and Preset and search for Stroke Effect. Drag and drop the stroke into your logo layer. Make sure all masks are checked. Then set the color to somewhat dark gray. Hit OK. Change the paint style to untransparent. Let's toggle this mask off so that we can see what we are doing. So I'm going to increase the brush size to 8. Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate the logo layer. Move the stroke effect, then search for the saber effect. Add the saber effect to the new logo layer. Set preset to neon. Expand the customize core and set the core type to layer mask. Set glow intensity to 30. Set glow spread to 0.15. Change the start offset to 60 and set your composite setting to transparent. Duplicate the saber effect. Change the preset to default. Set glow intensity to 15. Glow spread to 0.15. Set the start offset to 0 and then the end offset to 50. Go to the render settings and then change the composite settings to add. Move 10 frames forward in time and set a keyframe for the start offset on Saber 1 and also set a keyframe for the end offset on Saber 2. Select your logo layer, hit U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Move your time indicator back to 0. On Saber 1, set the start offset to 100 and then on Saber 2 set the end offset to 0. Select your keyframes, hit F now on your keyboard to ease. On Saber 2, expand the flicker option and set the flicker intensity to 50. Now we're gonna make some cuts in between. Ctrl Shift and V to make a cut. Then move forward again, Ctrl Shift D to make another cut. Now we're gonna close up this like this. Feel free to explore your creativity at this point. Now select all your logo layer, Ctrl Shift C to pre-compose them. Make sure move all attributes to the new composition is checked and then rename this logo comp. And make it a 3D layer. Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Hit R on your keyboard to reveal the rotation properties for the duplicate. Rotate it on the X axis and then move it down. On the effect and preset, search for Gaussian blur and add it to the newly duplicated layer. And set blurriness to 100%. Then hit T on your keyboard to reveal the opacity property and set this to 10. Add a background of your choice and make the background a 3D layer. Then add a camera and a controller. Then you animate your camera position and then also animate the opacity of your background to relate with the flickering of the neon logo. And that is it, guys. This is how you can create a neon logo reveal in few steps in Adobe After Effects. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.